In this Pathfinder experiment, a tool was developed to improve runtime monitoring in avionics. Runtime monitoring forms one of the safety pillars for autonomous aircraft, thus being of great importance. Assurance, which simply cannot be provided at design time instead, is implemented during runtime through a monitor. To contain faults, avionic applications are partitioned into isolation domains hosted on a hypervisor. Our partner, the Spanish company fentISS, offers such a hypervisor, Xtratum Next Generation. On it, only intended, explicitly configured communication channels across partitions are available. This enhances safety and certification, but limits observability of data by a monitor. Health monitoring in turn relies on self-reported health events. This is depicted in the current slide. The various partitions can send health events to a system partition. Said system partition then can react to health events. A refinement to this is depicted in the next slide, where each partition sends the data it generates both to downstream consumers and to a safety monitor partition. The safety monitor partition reasons about the received data, generating safety events up on implausible or constraint-violating observations. However, no guarantee is provided that the safety monitor receives the same data as the other partitions. For example, the RC inputs partitions could send different stick commands to the flight controller and to the safety monitor due to a bug or due to adversarial behavior. The third version of health monitoring depicted in the current slide resolves this. The data is copied to both downstream consumers and to the safety monitor after being sent out from the source partition. This enables runtime monitoring without having to rely on trustworthiness of the normal partitions. However, this adds overhead when configuring Xtratum. To deal with this overhead, a tool was written to integrate a health monitoring partition into an existing Xtratum configuration as part of this Pathfinder experiment. The tool also integrates the health monitor into the schedule to ensure that the monitor can check on data before it is processed further. Thus, with help from Smart4All, we were able to start a new portfolio of solutions in fentISS catalog, preparing them for future business cases surround autonomous aircraft.